Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here from Techout. Today is going to be the final goodbye to my BlackBerry KEYone. It is for sale on eBay after I did a little bit of refurbishing on it to make my money back. But I'm no longer using this phone. It's been a solid phone. It's a great phone. Like I mentioned in the review, it's not a good phone for media consumption, for YouTube, stuff like that. It's a good phone if you're the kind of person that's typing, sending emails, sending text, all that kind of stuff like I mentioned in my review, which you can check out on my channel. But so far what I've done to this phone is I put a new battery in it and I fixed the back. As you remember in my unboxing video when I peeled the sticker off, the back popped up and the clips were not like secure and the back would unclip around the edges and stuff like that. This back is brand new and it's also a black one. So this comes from the blackout BlackBerry KEYone. This is the silver one with the 3 gigs of RAM, not the black one with the 4 gigs. But I did go ahead and put a black back on it just because it looks nice. The BlackBerry logo right here is blacked out, as well as the ring around the camera. And as you can see, this back is perfect. The clips are all held down. The sponginess in the middle has gone away, so that's not there. It doesn't feel like squishy anymore, like it's falling apart. It feels really good in the hand now. Keyboard is great, screen's in great condition, stuff like that. So like I said, that is for sale on eBay. The bidding time is almost up at the time of this posting, if it has not ended already. But I kind of wanted to make like a final review. Basically, this phone is the reason I decided to purchase another Samsung Galaxy Note 8. What I didn't like about this phone is the slowness. It's not a very powerful phone at all. While it does have a good amount of RAM for multitasking, the processor speed is just not there. So when you're switching between apps or opening apps, there is a pretty big delay when you're using things like Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube. It's just not good running the apps. But like I said, being the type of phone that it is, it does have a good amount of RAM for multitasking and running multiple apps at one time. Clearing your RAM out with an app definitely keeps the phone running a little bit faster, but it's just not there for what I wanted it for. You know, but it was a good phone to try out. I definitely enjoyed my time with it, and you know, it'll suck to see it go. This is one of the phones that I've really been looking forward to getting to try out Android again. But if you're looking for a really clean, functional Android experience, a smooth Android experience, this probably isn't going to be the phone for you. If you're looking for a phone that's, you know, mediocre, you're looking to text, you're looking to send emails, this is definitely, I'm not saying it's a bad phone, I'm just saying for what I was using it for, the speed and the stuff wasn't there. I really liked the themes on my Note 8 and the customizations with the Samsung experience and stuff like that that the Note 8 and the S8s bring to the table. So if you want to compare these two, definitely check out my Note 8 video, which is going to be the one posted before this. Check that out and you'll see what I do like about that phone and kind of why I switched from this phone. Basically the customizations and the themes and stuff like that. This phone is turned off and deactivated, so I'm not going to turn it back on for the video, but that is basically why I'm selling the BlackBerry KEYone. This has been Colin with Techout. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. And if you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button. Definitely helps out the channel a lot, and you'll be able to see more reviews and videos like this. As always, have a great day. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.